Are you ready? We're about to hit the road again. That's right. We're about to hit the road. Start heading towards Thunder Bay. This is my favorite part of Canada, Lake Superior. As much as I hate to leave this place, we must go find other beautiful spots. So, let's get on the road. First time I've wore pants in a long time. Let's go see what trouble we can get into. So I realized when I was packing up, it's yesterday was water day, today is laundry day. Again, this is my favorite part of the trip. Like, I'm right beside Lake Superior right now, and it's huge. I'll show you. Here's something we haven't checked out in a while. I had to go a U-turn for this one. So yeah, that's the Trans-Canada Highway. There's my dog over there somewhere. And we're walking across a bridge. Up here you see that jog out on the bridge. Wonder what that's for. That's right. It's a place to come and take pictures from. Let's go see if there's an easy trail up there. We'll hike up and check out the falls. So this says we're halfway between St. John's, Newfoundland and Victoria, BC. Approximately. What a great place to have a waterfall. When the sun comes out, it gets warm and muggy again. Guess I gotta find a place on the lake again. That was nice. It's getting hot and muggy again. Clouds are rolling in. Back on the road. Where's that laundromat? What a great place to poop. Wawa, Provincial Park. It's a pay-to-use site, so I guess they charge you for the day. I think it's like $8 or something like that. You hang out all day. It's a huge beach, but no dogs allowed on it. So we're gonna keep trucking and find that laundromat. Oh, look at that. Beach wheelchair. I really need to stop pulling into these campground things. Pancake Bay, you must pay. These dogs on the beach over. I can stop and show you this. This is amazing. How do you say? It's huge. And you keep seeing that all the time. It's just, yeah. This is smile on my face. On the road. I saw this road and I saw some big antenna things. I'm thinking laundry's not that important. Let's go check out where this road goes. It's already 3 o'clock. I think it's 100 kilometers to Wawa. That's another hour. I think it's 4 o'clock. I don't know about laundromats. Oh well, we didn't go far. Let's see if this takes us to the top of the world. Well, it's giving us a little bit of issues here. Have to back down a little ways and take another run at it. I would have loved to film that, but that took both hands to actually get up that hill. Wow, that was steep and loose. But we passed it. You'll have to be a little bit more attentive as I get higher. Look what I found. I'm on top of the world looking. Yeah, don't give up my day job. Soccer ball. We came, we saw, and now we're leaving. Now we get to go down. It's pretty steep, but you can see how much fun I had coming up it. So I stopped to get fuel at this gas station, but I can't seem to find anybody. If anybody's interested in buying a used, slightly, gas station about 100 kilometers outside of Wawa, give them a call, 867-5309. I pulled in here to go and check out some pictographs, old native paintings on the rocks. And on the bottom of the sign it says 400 meters, but it also says no dogs, Goldberg. Plus they want me to pay. I'm too cheap. I recognize this guy. He's got this really cool back apartment on his. Another lifer. Well, not lifer, but manners. Let's get out of here. Back on the road to Wawa. So I'm back in Wawa. I got here late. There's about half an hour late. Canadian Tire was closed, and so was the laundromat. And I believe I was here at 5 after 5. Wilbur's gonna go pee. Back in the van and go find a place to chill, I guess. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in a couple days for more. Like, subscribe, and hit your notifications. Let's get these subscribers up. So Invite your friends. Bye.